Hey there, so you want to become a group product manager. My name is Josh Vector. I'm one of the founders here at Product HQ, and in this video, we're looking at how to break through as a group product manager, even if you have no experience. And this is an exciting role where you have some responsibilities as a product leader, but are also overseeing a team of other product managers. And before we jump into that, make sure to like and subscribe if you wish to receive more helpful videos on product management. And first things first, let's start off with the education requirements needed for this role. This is a people management position in product management, so you need expertise in both of these areas. The majority of group product managers hold a bachelor's degree and come from backgrounds such as business, finance, engineering, computer science, and even marketing. And there's also specific courses you can take to help give you a foundation in product management, such as the ones that we offer on Product Manager HQ. And most people management skills are learned in a working environment. However, a short course or workshop on people management could add to your resume when applying for this particular position and also your confidence in executing on the job. Now let's take a quick look at where the group product manager role sits in the overall structure of a company and how to reach that position. The important thing is to assess where you are right now. You might be new to product management, or you might be a product manager looking to take that next step. Let's take Google as an example. For this company, you enter as an associate product manager, then become a product manager, and then become a senior product manager and progress into a group product manager role. This is a common progression route to becoming a group product manager, but is not the same for every company. For example, Facebook doesn't have a job name group product manager, but has a higher up product manager role with similar roles and responsibilities. So now that you have a picture of how high up a group product manager is, let's go ahead and take a look at 7 key skills we've identified that you'll need to break into this position. So the first thing you need to look at is your technical skills. This includes product design, engineering, and coding. A group product manager imparts their wisdom and assesses product managers. So this person needs to be technically astute in what product managers do. You'll need to have experience as a product manager, and in this role, you'll also need to be a good per se all-rounder. And there are some aspects of this job that you might excel at, but it's important to look at your weak points as well and work on them. The second big thing here is prioritization. This diagram, known as the Eisenhower matrix, should help enlighten that idea. A group product manager is a hybrid role where you have a scaled down product manager role, but also involves looking after 1 to 3 other product managers. You need the ability to look after multiple tasks and assess how you're going to tackle each one. It's essential that you know how to balance your workload if you want to succeed in this role. And number 3 is strategic thinking, which is crucial for any senior role. A product director requires someone who makes detailed plans about all of their decisions and actions decisions using evidence and logical thinking. A product director is someone who regularly uses data and analytics to inform their decisions, and this is key for almost all levels of product management as well. And number 4 is build experience, which is all about taking on side projects in your current role, or even taking on side projects when volunteering, let's say at a nonprofit or something. As a people management role, we recommend taking on a side project which involves managing 1 or more people. It's important that you have prior experience in delegating tasks, coaching, and communicating information. And number 5 relates to communities. You should attend industry events in product management or tech events that excite you. And there you can make relationships, network with other people in the industry, and really find people that are in verticals and companies that you want to join and get into. It's important to build up this relationship foundation should group product management roles become available outside of your company. There are also associations for product management as well. And we even have our own association at Product Manager HQ, which I highly recommend you check out. Some associations provide mentoring opportunities which are important for developing people management and leadership skills. And networking does not just mean meeting people outside of your company, but also involves building relationships with people in your own company that fall outside of your day-to-day experience. So on top of being a great product manager, there are some soft skills you need on the side of people management. And number 6 is people management. The ability to manage people and communicate well is an absolute must. The best way of doing this is by getting feedback from other colleagues, especially if it's from a group product manager. As we mentioned earlier, you should also get involved in additional roles to build up your communication skills. You should particularly look at cross-functional roles and increase the variety of people you're in contact with. As we mentioned earlier, you should get mentoring and start imparting your wisdom to other colleagues. You should also take part in any team-related groups or exercises at the company. And the last thing we'll be looking at is organization. There are two questions you need to ask yourself when deciding whether or not you are an organized person. The first thing to look at is, are you consistently hitting deadlines? The ability to manage your time properly and deliver consistently is a sure sign of an organized person. Second, are your meetings effective? When you're holding meetings, do you have a clear set of objectives? Are all of your meetings a good use of everyone's time, or are they quite scattered and ineffective? And this is what people look out for when deciding if you are an organized person. And now that you've looked at what it takes to become a group product manager, let's go ahead and give you a quick snapshot of the salary expectations for this role. According to Glassdoor, as of recently, the estimated salary in the US is $171,664, and the estimated additional pay is $19,880 per year, which comes usually from bonuses. It may be from profit sharing. And PayScale estimated the average base salary in the US is $151,114, which bonuses between $5,000 and $41,000, and profit sharing between $2,000 and up to upwards $53,000 in total pay ranges from $104,000 to $224,000. So that's roughly what you can expect to be earning in this role. And this role is also a bridging point to other exciting roles in product management. Above this role is a VP, which is the Vice President of Product Management, and then above that is a Chief Product Officer, or CPO. And VP is a C-suite supporting role and is usually head of the overall product. And the CPO is a C-level executive role that controls a product's department in an organization. And there we have it. That is how you can become a group product manager. And if you enjoyed this video and you feel like you have a better idea of the steps to take in order to become one, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and feel free to drop us any questions or comments on future videos you'd like to see. And again, my name is Josh Spector. I'm one of the founders here at Product HQ, and I'll go ahead and see you in some of our following videos. Cheers.